In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to your bank account. This process involves a few essential steps, so let's dive right in to make it as smooth as possible for you. First off, you'll want to begin by opening your Trust Wallet app. Once you're in the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. You'll notice features like send, swap, fund, and sell, along with your token balances prominently displayed. These are the core functions you'll be using today. However, it's important to note that banks do not directly accept cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. They operate with traditional currencies, so we have to convert that crypto into a usable form. The main task here is to convert your Ethereum into fiat currency. This will allow you to transfer those funds into your bank account seamlessly. So, the first step is identifying your Ethereum holdings on Trust Wallet. Locate it on your homepage. If it's not immediately visible, use the search feature. It's the magnifying glass icon to quickly find Ethereum within your collection of assets. Once you have Ethereum in sight, tap on it, and then you'll see various options. What you need to do now is select Send. Here, you'll enter the details required to transfer your Ethereum to a chosen cryptocurrency exchange platform. Some popular exchanges you might consider are Coinbase, Binance, and others that you'd prefer. Make sure to have your exchange wallet address ready to paste here, ensuring you correctly transfer it to your desired platform for selling. After you've successfully sent your Ethereum to the exchange, head back to the Trust Wallet homepage. The next goal is to sell your Ethereum for fiat currency on the exchange. Navigate to the Sell function, which can be found by clicking Sell within the platform you're using. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to sell. Be sure to review all details, enter the amount accurately, and then proceed by clicking Sell again. The platform will guide you through the specifics of the process, showing prompts and confirmations on your screen. Following that, once your Ethereum has been successfully sold and converted into fiat currency, you now have the means to transfer that money into your bank account. This step will depend on the capabilities of the exchange you're using. Typically, you'll need to link your bank account with the exchange if you haven't previously done so. Follow the exchange's specific instructions, complete any verification processes needed, and initiate the transfer. Remember, each step might take varying times to complete. Crypto transfers can be nearly instantaneous, while bank transfers may take several days, depending on your banking institution. With these instructions, you should be able to smoothly transform your Ethereum into spendable dollars in your bank account.